Do you know that some YouTube automation channels have made over $6,000 in just a few months? The secret? They leverage the power of AI to create engaging content with minimal effort. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate their success step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create viral content and start earning from day one. So stick around. Before we dive in, let me prove this isn't just another pie-in-the-sky promise. Here's real proof that these results are achievable. Let's start by confirming that the channel we're looking at is monetized. There's a helpful tool called YT Monetization Checker that lets you verify if a channel is earning revenue. Just paste the channel's link and you'll see its monetization status. For this example, the channel is indeed monetized, but how much are they actually making? To estimate earnings, we need to calculate RPM, revenue per mille, the earnings per 1,000 views. For example, with an RPM of 15 cents and 44 million views, it's clear this channel has already made well over $6,000. Impressive, right? Now let's get into how they did it. The secret sauce. The content strategy is simple but effective. They create engaging text-based story videos that captivate audiences. Let's analyze a typical example. Yay, we did it, babe, I'm pregnant. Wait, really? That's amazing. I hope it's a boy so I can start Project LeBron James. These relatable and emotional storylines grab viewers' attention and keep them hooked. So, how do you create content like this? Let's break it down. Step 1, finding viral ideas. First, you need a story, but not just any story. A story that evokes strong emotions or reactions. Where can you find such stories? Start with platforms like TikTok, Reddit, or Quora. Here's my personal hack. 1. Go to TikTok and search for tech stories. 2. Look for trending videos with high engagement, lots of likes, comments, and shares. For example, if a video has 17 million views, 2.7k comments, and 700,000 likes, it's a winner. Instead of copying the video, you'll borrow the concept and create something original. Step 2. Generating the script. To craft your script, use an AI tool like VSub. Here's how. 1. Download the viral TikTok video as a reference. 2. Upload it to VSub, which generates a similar but unique script for you. 3. Customize the script to fit your style and make it engaging. For instance, you can adjust character names, add suspense, or introduce a cliffhanger to keep viewers coming back for more. Creating the video. With the script ready, it's time to bring it to life. Use tools like VUB to create animated text conversations. 1. Select a message template, e.g., iPhone chat bubbles. 2. Add characters, customize voices, and choose a background video. Add sound effects like notification dings to enhance engagement. For the background, I recommend using gameplay footage. It's dynamic and keeps viewers' attention. You can find royalty-free gameplay videos online or purchase them from marketplaces. Step 4. Maximizing engagement. Make sure to include calls to action like follow for part 2, like if you can relate. This increases engagement and encourages viewers to interact with your content. Pro tip, use trending sounds or music in your videos to boost discoverability. Monetization on day 1. Here's the ultimate hack. Join an affiliate program like Raptive to start earning even if your YouTube channel is new. Alternatively, upload your videos to TikTok first, as it's easier to gain views quickly there. Once you gain traction, cross-post the content to YouTube Shorts. And that's it. You now have the blueprint to create viral videos and start earning with AI-powered automation. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more actionable tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll respond ASAP. See you in the next video.